Semi-automatic driver. A semi-automatic driver is a type of power screwdriver that uses a motor to drive screws, but requires the user to manually advance the screw into the material. This is in contrast to a fully automatic screwdriver, which advances the screw automatically until it is fully seated. Semi-automatic drivers are a good choice for tasks where precise control is needed, such as assembling furniture or electronics. They are also a good choice for tasks where the user needs to be able to change the screw bit frequently, such as when working on a car. Here are some of the features of a semi-automatic driver. Most semi-automatic drivers have a quick change bit system, which makes it easy to change the screw bit without having to use tools, and some of them have variable speed control, which allows the user to adjust the speed of the motor to match the task at hand. RHINO cart. The RHINO cart mobile welding table is a heavy-duty mobile welding table that is perfect for both professional and hobbyist welders. It features a reversible, knit-ridded tabletop that is resistant to weld spatter, rust and wear. The table also has a 1,500-pound static loading capacity, so you can be sure that it will support even the heaviest projects. The RHINO cart is also equipped with 4 locking casters and leveling feet, so you can easily move it around your shop or workplace. It also has a variety of storage options, including shelves, racks, and a pegboard panel, so you can keep your tools and accessories organized and within reach. MILWAUKEE M18 Fuel. MILWAUKEE M18 Fuel is a line of cordless power tools that are designed for professional use. They are powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion batteries and feature 3 exclusive MILWAUKEE innovations. Power State Brushless Motor. This motor is more powerful and efficient than a brushed motor, and it delivers longer runtime and less wear and tear. Red lithium battery. This battery pack is more powerful and durable than other lithium-ion battery packs, and it delivers longer runtime and more recharge cycles. RedLink Plus Intelligence. This electronic system protects the tool and battery from overloads, preventing damage and extending their lifespan. M18 fuel tools are available in a wide variety of models, including drills, drivers, saws, sanders, and more. They are used by professionals in a variety of industries, including construction, manufacturing, and automotive repair. Beveling tool. A beveling tool is a machine or hand tool used to create a bevel on the edge of a material, such as metal, plastic, or wood. The bevel is typically an angle, but it can also be a radius. Beveling tools are used in a variety of applications, including welding preparation, pipe lifting, edging, and deburring. There are many different types of beveling tools available, including hand bevels. These are handheld tools that are operated by hand. They are typically used for small jobs or for deburring. Power bevels. These are motorized tools that are more powerful than hand bevels, typically used for larger jobs or for creating more precise bevels. CNC bevels. These are computer-controlled bevels that are used for the most precise work. FEIN RSG150. The FEIN RSG150 is a professional angle grinder that is designed for heavy-duty applications. It has a powerful 1500-watt motor that can handle even the toughest materials, such as concrete, masonry, and metals. The RSG150 also features a vibration damping system that helps to reduce fatigue, making it easier for use for extended periods of time. The FEIN RSG150 is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including concrete cutting, masonry grinding, metal cutting, welding slag removal, as well as pipe and tile cutting. It is a good choice for professionals who need a powerful and durable angle grinder for heavy-duty applications. MB48B. The Malco MB48B mini brake is a portable sheet metal brake that is designed for fabricating drip pans, register boxes, and complex corners for flashing and fascia. It is lightweight and can be easily transported by two people or disassembled into anvil and table components for one-person transport. The MB48B can produce 135 angle bends in 22-gauge galvanized steel at a maximum width of 48 inches. It has a 5/16 of an inch plate steel table apron and anvil frame, with adjustable setback and strengthening ribs to ensure a uniform bend. Diablo Steel Demon. The Diablo Steel Demon is a metal cutting saw blade made by Diablo Tools. It is made with a specifically formulated Cermet 2 teeth that provide high heat tolerance and increased hardness for superior wear and life. The blade also features a triple chip grind and perma shield coating that helps to produce precise burr-free cuts with less sparks. The Diablo Steel Demon is designed for cutting mild steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and other ferrous metals. It can also be used to cut wood, but it is not the best blade for this purpose. There are other saw blades that are designed specifically for cutting wood, and it will give you a cleaner cut. NARGESA PP200. The NARGESA PP200 is a 20-ton horizontal hydraulic press brake that is designed for bending sheet metal up to 8 mm thick. It has a working range of 1,610 mm and a stroke of 140 mm. The machine is equipped with a CNC control system that allows for automatic programming and operation. It also has a number of features that make it easy to use and maintain, such as a quick change tool system and an eco mode that saves energy. The NARGESA PP200 is a versatile and powerful machine that can be used for a variety of bending applications. It is ideal for use in metalworking shops, fabrication facilities, and other industrial settings.